Yes, sir.
Okay, so here in this we are discussing about SAP baddie. How do we find it? Now, for example, there is any standard transaction or any standard program, standard transaction. Mostly we'll be doing it for transaction. Obviously, behind every transaction we'll be having a program. Now, if you would like to know what exactly are the baddies that are left, are there behind this standard transaction, any standard transaction, then you can just simply go into SE24 and open a class called CL underscore exit handler. And in this CL underscore exit handler, we will be having a method called get underscore instance. In this, we will be having a function model in which we can get the exit name. So this exit name can be seen in a particular function module which is inside the get underscore instance method, which we are going to see now. Now, what is the simple step that we are going to do is we are going to set a breakpoint inside that get underscore instance method. So we will be getting into the inside the get underscore instance method. We'll be setting a breakpoint on a function module, and we will get all the exit names or enhancement names. Now, once we get that name, we will then check each and every name, and we will finalize which exit would be useful for us to do some functionality. Now, let's say I have already shown you how to do enhancement for VA01, and then we went ahead with the MM01. So now in VA01, if you would like to do some enhancement, or MM01 you would like to do some conditions, then we just need to find out the baddie name. So for that, what we are going to do is we are going to go ahead into the SE24, and in this, once you set a breakpoint in this get underscore instance method, no matter what transaction you run, anyone in that server, any person in that server is running any transaction, that transaction will come and stop here for sure. If it's an SAP standard one, let me go back and show you that. Now first I'll go ahead with the SE24. In SE24 we'll go for CL underscore exit handler. Okay, CL underscore exit handler is a default SAP standard class. We'll select that, click on display. Now we'll have this, and in this we'll have get underscore instance. Select that, and in this we'll have exit handler get class name by interface. Okay, then here you should get this exit name. Now when you see the exit name here, every time the exit will change, and we can find out what exactly is the exit in which we can update this whatever modifications or updations that we want to do, whatever enhancements we want to do, we need to do it within this exit name. So what we'll do is we'll set a breakpoint here on this CL underscore exit handler implies get class name by interface. Now once we are done this, any transaction in SAP you run it. Okay, you run any transaction in SAP, it comes and stops there. Now we'll go for MM01. When you open that, now I've opened VA01 transaction. No matter which SAP standard transaction you run, you will come to this level, and we have exit name. Double click on it, and you can see the exit name. Okay, now every time it executes, it comes here. So I'll click F8 again. So what does F8 stand for? Complete execution. It will go for complete execution, and then again baddie underscore SD sales is there. We'll copy that. See, normally what we do is we'll copy the baddie name, and then later we'll analyze the baddie names and we can find out which baddie is appropriate for our development. Okay, it takes some time, as I told you. By descriptions we can find it out as to what exactly is the functionality. F8. Now we have another baddie name which we'll copy here. Then again another baddie name. Now this is the one we have. In this way you will get all the list of all the baddie names. Now you can make a list of all the baddies and see the descriptions of this in going ahead with the SE18 transaction. You can just see them and you can decide which baddie would be appropriate for us to run it. And this is specific to a transaction code, and the transaction code that we are right now testing for is VA01. Okay, so VA01, and now later once we are done with this and made a list of all the baddies, then you need to check them in the SE18 transaction. I'm just deleted the breakpoint. If you don't delete the breakpoint here, it becomes a big issue, because this is something which stops every standard transaction code. So we'll go for SE18 transaction. In this we'll go for baddie name. Here we'll give this baddie name. Oh, I think I didn't delete that exit, so it just deleted only at that particular time for that particular condition. I'll just delete this. SE24 seal underscore exit handler get underscore instance, and here okay, that breakpoint got deleted. If it got deleted, it's good, like, because with this we can go ahead and see that baddie. Now it opened here. Even this baddie again is going into the breakpoint and it is stopping there, because inside this baddie underscore SD underscore sales also will have that the breakpoint where we have set in the SE24. There it will stop. Okay, so here we have baddie underscore sales. Now we'll go ahead and see the implementation for this. So what you can do is, and one more important thing is, most of you might have a question that you want to check whether if there are implementations for this or not. You can just click on this select this and click on the where use list. This is the where use list. Just click on it and you can see in which classes and programs it is being used. So we can see that this particular baddie definition is used in so many classes, so many interfaces. It's been used in so many interfaces here. Okay, so this way we will take some time to conclude in which baddie we have to implement the logic. Okay, so after doing that only we'll go ahead and do the programming. So to do the program, we already know we have done it. So in once we are decided that this is a particular baddie which we have to implement, then we'll go to SC19 and implement a baddie for this particular definition. The most trickiest part here is to actually find out which baddie needs to be implemented. Then the work becomes easy. I repeat once again, you go to SC24 and here you just need to go for CL underscore exit handler, display, and in this we have get underscore instance, and then here we have the CL underscore exit handler implies get class name by interface. This is where you need to set the breakpoint, but when you set the breakpoint, never ever forget to remove the breakpoint, because any person working in that server will stop there, because every standard transaction will come here and stop. So this is one way of finding out the list of all the baddies for a particular transaction code.